Let's get started, y'all. I'm gonna start with the star of the show today, and that is a glow recipe, y'all. They're two famous products, yes indeed. You get these are two bad boys right here, and I must say,
Cameroun, l'Afrique en miniature.
hello my beautiful peoples. I hope you're doing wonderful, and we're talking about skincare today, and by now you guys should know that I'm really into skincare, and skincare videos tend to do quite decent on my channel. So I'm going to talk to you about some Sephora picks that have been trending, especially during the holiday, because they have the gift set. So I'm going to share with you guys the two that I bought, and I'll give you my opinion. So if you like to see what it is, stay tuned. I'll bring a family or friend, so I'm sure they will like it. And any links to anything that I talk about or discuss is always listed down below, and it's on my blog, as well as the makeup and hair. Yeah, I got that Beyonce vibe going on, you know. But anyways, guys, any feedback as well, I do appreciate it. We can agree to disagree agreeably. I don't mind. And also, if you are convinced to shop, please do shop cash or debit, okay? And all the links are down below. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started, y'all. I'm gonna start with the star of the show today, and that is a glow recipe, y'all. They're two famous products, yes indeed. You get these are two bad boys right here, and I must say, it's not a gimmick. It's a must-have. I will say it's a must-have even at full price. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So good for skincare purposes, as well as to refresh your makeup, as well as to milk everything. And it's a finishing spray, but not a setting spray. So this is so good for that in-between aspect, as well as refreshing. Guys, this I use every day. I would never be without this. Like, it's forever in my collection. And this mister, I'm gonna demonstrate right now. I've had my makeup on for 9 hours. Look at how fine that is. Oh my god, guys. And it does, ooh, my lashes, and it does have a scent like watermelon / like cotton candy, but it's very subtle, and then it goes away, and it didn't irritate me, and I have sensitive skin. So guys, oh my god, this is the business. I say no more, because I'll be on here forever. I use it almost every day. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask, and I got the 20 ml one, and I've used it 3 times already since I got it. And guys, the packaging is gorgeous. Of course, the aesthetic, so I'm keeping it. I'm keeping the packaging until I replenish, because I know I will be having these. You guys, I've done videos on sleeping masks and all my favorite masks and masks that I've tried. I have so many videos. I'll link them down below. These are just something that I have to have in my skincare. I love sleeping masks, and this is one of my favorites as well. So this also has a scent to it, but nothing crazy, and it doesn't leave a cast on your face, really, just slightly. So I like that as well. So when I wake up the next day, I just got my makeup eraser 7-day set, and I just wet it and just kind of like dab it off, so it doesn't go away particularly all the way, because it does have some skincare properties that I don't want to keep on my skin. And then I go ahead with my skincare routine. And y'all, I talked about the dupe right here. I feel like they're different. First of all, they smell differently. This is the Trader Joe's Watermelon Overnight Face Mask, and this one is also great, but I feel like they're a little different. They do the same thing, but this has a different smell. I like this smell better. As a matter of fact, guys, these are the same. So what do you know? For me, they do kind of the same thing, right? So they have similar ingredients. They're not identical, but they're dupes, okay? So if you're looking for the budget-friendly one, you got this. And if you want to just splurge, you can also get this as a gift set. So there you go. So y'all know I had to put my hand on this, because, you know, it's all about skincare, y'all. If your base is not well, how do you expect your makeup to look good? You want to do less with makeup and more with skincare. That way you can just do that natural look, like what I got going on, and you know, and you can just pop some lashes and a little bit of color in your eyeshadow, and you'll be fine. But typically you want to do more with your skincare and invest more with your skincare daily. So I got the Fresh, okay, set. Guys, I feel like these are the ones that I wanted to try because I heard so many people talk about these 3 particular products from Fresh, and I was like, oh my god, what better way to try. I've really been into like deluxe sample sizes because I feel like at least that way I'm not wasting my money, and it's also enough for me to be able to see if it works for me or not, so that's fine for me. So that's the 3 that I got, and this one is a Fresh. So this one is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and it's for all skin types, and it is rich in amino acids, and I like it because it's really gentle for the face and the eyes. Oh my god, guys, this is really good. It really does clean your face very well without drying. So that's it. It's a basic cleanser, nothing innovative. So if you want to buy it, you can, but you can always use other ones that I've recommended in my past skincare videos. But this right here is pretty good, okay? Nothing innovative, but good. And this scent, and it does have that's a crazy like plant-based, like a vegan plant-based like odor to it, or like scent to it, if you will. So it's like a very plant-based scent, so it's not gonna bother you. It didn't bother me at all. So that's it with this one right here. Okay, next thing I have is the rose face mask, and it says it has rose petals and it also soothes and tones. I haven't used it enough to know if it soothes and tones, but I do love the consistency. I like that it's not messy. It's so refreshing on the skin. I really enjoyed using it, and that's kind of the consistency that you would expect. Again, it has that plant-based type of like weird smell, but nothing irritating. So there you go with that. It's really good if you want to try it. I think this can last you a while, especially if you only do masks once a week. This can last you a really long time, so that's all you need, and the little goes a long way, and it gives your skin that like healthy J-Lo glow, that glass skin type of glow. So I do appreciate that. And last but not least, we got the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer. Again, that same type of scent, like plant-based weird type of scent, but it's very soft and subtle, so you're not gonna irritate your skin. And guys, applying this feels so rich and creamy and buttery on your skin. It's not too thick. Makeup can work with it. It's just amazing, and I feel like this is something that I would definitely repurchase. It's really good. I feel like it's also good for all skin types. It's not oily or too thick to clog pores or anything like that, and it seems very hydrating as well. Oh, it does say that it's hydrating. So yes, there you go. I really like this lotion, I mean, or this face moisturizer. I mean, everything here today I've loved so much, and I'm just like, wow, this is the first time I buy a set of skincare products and I have nothing to complain about, and the price was amazing, and that is it. So obviously, if you want to shop at Sephora during the sales, and don't forget to use Rakuten to earn cash back. So that is it for this video. Let me know other things that you've enjoyed, that you've tried recently, so that I can try and share my thoughts with you guys as well. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to always praise God. And right about now, YouTube will be providing 4 videos for you to enjoy at your leisure. So there you go, and that's 1 right here, 2 right here, 3 and 4 right up here. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Ciao guys, bye bye now, God bless.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.